Good.
Let's wish her a Merry Christmas.
That's enough. Now you can leave it. Merry Christmas, Robin.
Merry Christmas.
Look it. Wee. Okay. I want Mama. Okay. No, Robin, got your own.
Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Oh, see ya.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Oh, see ya.
Okay.
Oh, see ya.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Oh, yeah. Where's my candy bracelet? Wait, look what Lizzie did. She could open that.
Well, okay.
She has her own.
Okay,
Here,
that's
Alex.
going to be enough.
Alex.
Okay, because we're going to need to have fun. Here, what's in here? What's in here? Can you
And
pull this
that's a
out?
special coloring. Oh. Where's my stocking?
I'm taking a movie. Yes, it is.
Candy cane.
Yeah,
Candy cane.
that's right.
Oh, look, Mom.
Ooh, look at this. Riches beyond your wildest dreams.
Don't let Mandy eat those.
Oh, it looks like fun, doesn't it?
Let's have Robin find the candy bracelet.
This is true. Let's do this. Let's put these here. Can you put your hand in, see if you can find something else?
No,
Wait.
Woohoo! This is it.
I think you're going to be making some cookies later.
Cookie. Oh, thank you. Very special. Look, Robin. What? Where is it? Robin, look. Ow! Look at Robin. That. Robin, that and that. Magnet!
Yeah.
Ow! Take a mark.
I don't think we need to pull the cookie shapers out, do you?
Well, the short one.
All right.
I'll pull out.
You want to go out?
Feel higher. It feels
Hey, Robin, can you say Merry Christmas?
Uh-oh. Don't you like it? Orange! Orange.
Orange.
Oh.
Alexander, can you put them back in?
Yeah. Look it.
Oh, are those your beads?
Yeah.
Okay, honey, we can't have those all over the floor, so put them down and we're going to get a special bag for those.
How about... Oh, and you got my party. Robin.
When they're done.
Ouch. I'm gonna hurry.
Oh, here, let's leave that there. Put the rest of those in there, so.
No! Mommy, I can't put down.
What's wrong?